Before we got PDM, yes, and it would be very painful. There was a time when people would save bolt as bolt or screw as screw, and you wind up, overriding that.
Yes, I have definitely lost a file or two.
We lost a lot of files that we worked really hard on.
My last company, they were running just saving files in a folder. So one person would open one file, a drawing, I'd have the assembly, and then we would constantly overwrite one another's files, and it was really tedious.
It would make it a lot more stress-free for me. I would be able to enjoy it more. Rather than worrying about the deadline and that being the reason I'm doing it, it would be just enjoying creating.
It allows me to be creative myself. It allows me to explore the different areas of Solidworks that I don't explore when I'm teaching my students.
If I had more time to design, I think we would release products a lot faster and we'd make a lot more money.
I would love to have more time for design. It's like what I really want to do.
If I had more time for design, I would make more stuff.